Hello student, welcome to Samarth Academy Amritsar. I am back with yet another video of SSC GD questions. So as usual, I will be covering 20 questions, practicing 20 questions, and along with practice, I will be sharing a lot of tips and tricks. So please do watch my video till the very end and let's get going. The first question is, select the most appropriate option to fill in the blanks. The question is, the dash city was filled with bustling markets, towering dash and narrow streets, making it an exciting place to dash daily, right? So in one single sentence, we have been given three blanks. So the dash is city. City is a noun. So most likely before noun, we can use an adjective. So explore is not an adjective. I don't think so. This should be the right answer. So the other options are vibrant skyscrapers and vibrant. So cities are not skyscraper, buildings are skyscrapers. So I would say we can eliminate A and C option in the beginning. So we won't be looking at A and C now. We shall be looking at B and D option only. So the vibrant city, both have vibrant option. So the vibrant city was filled with bustling markets, towering dash. So in B we have skyscraper or explore. So towering matlab the tall, the high. So towering skyscraper should be the right answer here. So the vibrant city was filled with bustling markets, towering skyscrapers and narrow street, making it an exciting place to the बाद आप verb लगा सकते हैं explore daily. ठीक है, this is how it should be done. Don't try to solve all the three questions at one go, which we solve the question one by one. First I try to solve the first question, first part I mean to say, the dash city. तो इमीडिएटली आई न्यू कि इतने मेरा वर्ब नहीं आनी चाहिए, तो मैं रूल आउट करता. सिटी के स्काई स्केपर लगता नहीं है, सो ए ते सी में बाहर करती हैं. देन आई चोज बिटवीन बी एंड डी. ठीक है, सो इट बिकेम वेरी इजी. ऑप्शन वुड बी डी, बी ऑप्शन वुड बी राइट आंसर. ठीक है, वाइब्रेंट स्काई स्केपर एंड एक्सप्लोर. नेक्स्ट वन इज select the option that best expresses the meaning of the underlined idiom. All right, Tushara was asked to gather demographic data that could be useful down the road. Okay? The options are on the way, in the future, in an informal way, yeah, in the present. Again, by looking at this statement, you can have a gist of the sense. Ki कहना चाह रहे हो कि Tushara is a name of somebody was asked to gather demographic data कि उन्होंने क्या गया सी कि data collect करे that could be useful, you know, जेड़ा कि काम आ सके, can be, could be, you know, use किया जा सके down the road. तो ਕੀ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ? So they are talking about something future perspective कि उस data ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ use ਕਰ सके down the road मतलब in the future. So that is the right answer. ठीक है, B option is the right answer. वैसे भी down the road idiom ਦਾ मतलब ਹੁੰਦਾ है in the future. Select the most appropriate synonym of the word inconsistencies to fill in the blank. As the engineers reviewed the data from the Mars rover, they were particularly interested in any dash that might indicate a malfunction on the vehicle. So again, you can see all the negative words they are asking about. Inconsistency is a negative word, malfunction is a negative word. So चारे ने क्या पाऊँ synonym लभी है दा, ठीक है? So look at all the options: anomalies, confirmation, specification, transmission. So out of 4 given options, there is one word which is negative. बाकी सारे positive. Confirmation is a positive word, obviously. Specification is qualities. Transmission is transmitting something. तो केड़ा word लगता है negative? Anomalies. तो inconsistent का मतलब ऐसे भी anomalies होता है. And both means irregularities, जेड़े की proper structure ना हो. ठीक है? So A option is the right answer here. Next one is select the correct spelling of the incorrectly spelled word in the given sentence. The question is, the librarian helped him find the information in an obscure reference book. Okay, all right. So कहना पे correct spelling of the incorrectly spelled word. So ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜਾ incorrectly spelled word है ने देख लेंगे हैं. The librarian helped him find the information in an obscure reference book. So options referent है, reference है, spelling देते हुए वक्रे वक्रे. तो reference spelling किਵੇਂ याद करेंगे? I'll give you a simple tip. Reference spelling याद करने वास्ते पहले refer the spelling याद करो. R-E-F-E-R. Refer हो गया, फिर N लगा दो, E-N-C-E. जिਵੇਂ कि R-E-F-E-R, E-N-C. Reference. ठीक है, simple way है, पहला refer फिर ends. So C option is the right answer. ਇਹੋ ਸਪੈਲਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਗਲਤ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ। Select the most appropriate antonyms of the given word. Dejection. Dejection is also very practical word. Rejection and dejection quite used together most of the time. Options ਕਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ? cheer, malnutrition, glamour, stagnancy. लेकिन ਆਪਾਂ opposite word देखना है dejection ਦਾ. Dejection, as I told you, rejection and dejections are used together. So दोनों का मतलब होता है negativity. ठीक है, निराशा, dejection. तो opposite क्या हो सकता है? देखो, cheer is a state of happiness. ठीक है, तो cheer is the right answer. Dejection the opposite होएगा cheer. ठीक है. The following sentence has been split into 4 segments. So identify the segment that contains a grammatical error. So we have been given 4 segments. Let's read one by one. She confidently presented her findings to the committee, articulating her ideas clear and impressing everyone with her extensive research and knowledge. So we have to see the segment A, B, C, D. This grammatical error. So look at the first part. She confidently presented her finding to the committee. It looks all right. Articulating her ideas clear. I think in one of my previous video में दस्या सी कि यहाँ पे clear ideas use किया जावे क्योंकि clear एक adjective है तो ideas एक noun है. तो clear ideas ठीक सी लेकिन ideas clear is something which is not grammatically making sense. So ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ mistake लगती पई है. It should be articulating her ideas clearly. ਇੱਥੇ clearly आना चाहिए ਸੀ. ठीक है. So ਇਹੋ ਇਹਦੇ wrong part हैगा B वाला. So B option is the right answer. Moving on to next question. The most appropriate option to fill in the blank. Determine the collocation through the sentence. Let's see the sentence first. When she received the news about the death of her uncle, she dashed into tears. Okay. Options are bowed, started, shed, burst. वैसे tear आप shed use कर सकते हैं. Like he is shedding tears, crocodile tears they are shedding. लेकिन इत्थे सिर्फ shed नहीं हैगा, एक preposition भी use की गई into. तो because of this into इत्थे shed नहीं आ सकता. जे इत्थे into ना लगा होंदा फिर she was shedding tear बन सकता सी. लेकिन उन्हें into आ गया ना, इहदे करके इत्थे shed भी नहीं आना. तो shed rule out कर दो, started आ नहीं सकता, bowed आ नहीं सकता. तो she burst into tear. Let me tell you, a sentence past which है second form है. और यदि सेकंड फॉर्म बस्ट ही होंदी है जबकि शेड दी सेकंड फॉर्म शेडेड होंदी है तो एक भी गलती है सी कि वो पास है ते प्रेजेंट आ भी नहीं सकता सी. ठीक है. सो बाउड नहीं आएगा, स्टार्टिंग नहीं आएगा, शेड नहीं आएगा. तो शी बर्स्ट इनटू. ठीक है. पार्ट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस हैव बीन गिवन एज ऑप्शंस. Select the option that contains an adverb usage. Again the error with adverb. Let's see. Mr. Daniel, the police officer, commented the fire clumsily spread through the building. Options are the fire clumsily spread through the building, commented Mr. Daniel, the police officer. वैसे सानू इस क्वेश्चन में जो बहुत बड़ा हिंट देता है कि आंसर कितने पे आएगा. Because they are saying option that contain adverb usage error. Look at all the 4 parts. सारे में adverb नहीं देते हुए. If you look at this part, commented, I think verb है ये. So there is mistake होना question ही नहीं हैगा. Similarly here, the police officer, there is no adverb at all. So देखो तुसी ly वाला देख लो. पर clumsily ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ mistake हैगी. ਹੁਣ mistake की वैसे तो clumsily एक adverb बनता है. But we never use this adverb with fire. The fire clumsily spread. हाँ, fire quickly spread, rapidly spread हो सकता है. But clumsily is not any collocation with adverb. ठीक है. So the fire rapidly spread बन सकता सी. So this part contains the grammatical error. All right. A option is the right answer. Select the most appropriate option to fill in the blank. Her dash behavior in the interview revealed her clear state of mind. तो कोई adjective ही आएगा because noun दिता है. Options are shrouded, subtle, conspicuous or obscure. तो की कहना पे her dash behavior in the interview revealed her clear state of mind. ਉਹਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੋਚ ਹੈਗੀ ਨਾ ਸਾਫ਼ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਆ ਗਈ. तो कुछ साफ गल्लां कीतियां ने सामने सोच आ गई ना. तो shrouded ਹੁੰਦਾ covered, something hidden. ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਸਕਦਾ ਨਾ. ਫਿਰ how it would be clear state of mind. subtle ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਮਾਮੂਲੀ. obscure ਵੀ ਉਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ hidden. तो की बच गया conspicuous. Why conspicuous? Because her conspicuous behavior reveal the clear state of mind. conspicuous का मतलब भी किदे clear ही ਹੁੰਦਾ है. ठीक है. ऐसा करके ऑप्शन बनेगी सी. the most appropriate phrase to substitute the underlined word in the given sentence. Shahid Bhagat Singh was a patriot completely. Options are down and out, through and through, by and by, off and on. So these are phrasal verb basically. Down and out the matlab hunda hai somebody who is completely lost, ठीक है, who is defeated, has no chance of recovery. By and by hunda slowly, okay? Off and on hunda hai sometimes. तो ठीक आएगा completely वास्ते thorough and thorough या through and through he was a patriot, ठीक है? So B option is the right answer. We have to find the antonyms, मतलब opposite word of the given word. Meager. Meager नाम तो meager मतलब small, थोड़ा. Options की ने unfortunate, unsafe, unbiased या adequate. As I just told you the meaning of this word meager, meager मतलब small, less, थोड़ा. तो the opposite देखो unfortunate को ਹੁੰਦਾ है somebody who is not lucky, है ना? So ਇਹ ਤੇ ਦਾ opposite नहीं हो सकता. Unsafe भी ਉਹਦਾ opposite नहीं हो सकता meager ਦਾ. Unbiased ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ bias ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ मतलब one sided ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ, ठीक है? So ਇਹ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ. So adequate ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ sufficient, enough, ठीक है? So ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਥੋੜਾ, ਇਹ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ, sufficient. ਇਹ ਹੋਇਆ ਆਨਸਰ ਬਣੇਗਾ ਇਹਦਾ. Adequate is the answer, D option. Again, we have to see the synonym of the given word. Word ki resilient. Resilient word hai. Options are strong, antique, force, content. So in order to get the answer, maybe you should be familiar with this word resilient. Like India is a resilient country with a resilient economy. आप पैसा use कर दिया नो, ठीक है? देखो क्या आ सकता है? Content is satisfied, course ना rough होवे, antique होता पुराना होवे, तो strong होता है. Like India is a resilient country, India is a strong country. So strong is the best option here for resilient word. The word option that best defines the given word. Given word is dismay. Dismay. From the look of it, it looks a very negative word. Dismay. ठीक है? निराशा, negativity. Options की ने something very cumbersome, horrifying, wicked, showing admiration, या feeling of unhappiness. So dismay, as I told you, dismay. So something very cumbersome. Cumbersome is something very heavy. बड़ा भारी होवे. So dismay has nothing to do with cumbersome. Horrifying, wicked. Wicked is बड़ा ही with bad intention. Again, it has nothing to do with dismay. Admiration is तारीफ करनी. तो तारीफ तो होती नहीं पाई. तो feeling of unhappiness मतलब dismay. He was looking very dismay. He was in a feeling of unhappiness. All right. Next one is the most appropriate options to fill in the blank. I would like to know dash this machine works. Okay. I would like to know dash. But I commonly spoken again. I like to know, I like to go, etc. Dash machine works. Options are whatever, how, what, yeah, that. So I'm sure by looking at the sentence idea मिल जाता है कि मैं जानना चाहूँगा. I would like to know dash this machine work. क्या machine किवें काम कर दी? How this machine work? ठीक है, सेंस ही बनती है. So what तो आएगा नहीं, that भी नहीं आएगा, whatever भी नहीं आएगा. So how is the most appropriate option for this question? I would like to know how this machine works. ठीक है. Incorrectly spelled word देखना पैदे विचो. The options are legible, necessity, chronology, ਤੇ vendetta. Legible ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਸਾਫ਼-ਸਾਫ਼ ਪੜ੍ਹਿਆ ਜਾ ਸਕੇ. Your writing is very legible. तो spelling ਵੀ ਠੀਕ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਪਏ ਹੈ. Legible. Necessity ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ NECE ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੀਕ ਹੈਗਾ. Chronology ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ sequence ਵਿੱਚ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਵੇ. It is in chronological order. Vendetta ਹੁੰਦਾ ਦੁਸ਼ਮਣੀ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੈਨ ਕਰਤਾ. It should be vendetta. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. तो ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ incorrectly spelled word ਹੈ. Because legible भी ठीक है, necessity भी ठीक है, ਤੇ chronology भी ठीक है. Okay? So B option is the right answer because it is wrongly spelled. So last part comprehension there. Let's see. In the following passage, some words have been deleted. Blanks again. Read the passage carefully and select the most appropriate option to fill in each blank. Okay. First question is DNA the full form लिखी है जी. Deoxyryl. What is a nucleic acid? Is a very special molecule. All right. It dash as the code for all life on Earth. it dash as the code. Options are acts, keeps, delivers, present. So ਕੀ ਬੰਦਾ ਪਿਆ? It is the most very special molecule. It act as a code. ठीक है? It act as an actor. It act as the code. X ਨਾਲ S लगेगा for all life on earth, holding the cellular instructions to dash everything from a beetle to a human. Okay. So holding the cellular instructions to dash everything. तो टू तो बाद देखो की आंदा पे to clarify everything, to make everything, to stop everything, to finish everything. Okay. So where is it? Yeah. As the code for life on earth, holding the cellular instruction to dash everything. To stop नहीं आ सकता, finish नहीं आ सकता, clarify ਦੀ ਵੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ, to make everything beetle ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ human ਤੱਕ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਬਣਾਉਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ DNA ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ। Why? Because DNA is a dash to each species. ਇਹ ਦੇਖ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ options. Options are usual, unique, slight, and common. Because the DNA is a dash to each species. ਹੁਣ ਸਭ ਦਾ DNA ਕੋਈ same ਤੇ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਾ. It is different. It is unique for everybody. So DNA is unique to each species. It's like a project barcode in their DNA into their environment. No, this one error again. So it's like it is unique to each species. It is like a product barcode in a supermarket. Unique on this are. As animals and plants live their lives, they dash fragments of their DNA into environment. So plants and animals live their lives, they dash fragments. देखने की है क्या? Melt, treat, strike या shed. So where is it? Yeah. They dash fragments of the DNA. Melt नहीं आ सकता, treat भी नहीं आना चाहिए था, strike भी नहीं आना चाहिए था. So they shed is making sense. Because fragments ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਨਾ, ਝਾੜ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਵੇਂ fragments, shedding leaves and shedding fragments. So they shed fragments of their DNA into their environment, dash dead skin, hair cell वगैरह. Above further through 4. तो क्या आएगा? They shed fragments of their DNA into the environment above dead skin या farther या through या 4. So जो skin ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਪਏ ਆ, we are talking penetration. ठीक है? Through ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਆਪਾਂ environment through their dead skin, hair cell web. Not above. Above आ गया फिर तो बाहर ही हो गया ना DNA. It has to be within the body only. So that is why through dead skin. फिर सारे देख लेने हैं. DNA is very special molecule. It dash as the code. It acts as the code for life on earth, holding cellular instructions to make everything from a beetle to a human. Because DNA is unique, obviously it's unique to every species. It's like a product barcode in a supermarket. As animals and plants live their lives, they shed fragments. Okay? We use the word shed with fragments. They shed fragments of their DNA into the environment through dead skin. Okay? Not above or better, further. Okay? So with this, I have come to an end of another 20 questions. So very shortly, I'm going to continue with another 20 questions. So stick around and please wait for my video and see you soon.